we are down to just 8 contenders for the title here in Fiji. 4 world champions in the mix. The waves are firing.
The conditions today, Ronnie, are heart in your throat type of waves going down.
Here we go, live action. Gabriel, you know, taking care of Adriana in a tricky heat for waves.
Kelly takes off under priority. It's staying wide open. He comes flying out.
So far, the results of the quarters have been somewhat predictable. Adrian Buchan overcoming the 3-time world champ. We've got a big heat coming up next. The Jeep leader, Matt Wilkinson, up against the current world number 2, John Florence. Matt Wilkinson finds a gem. As the Australian finds one of the waves of the day. Well, that was guaranteed going to be a 10-point ride if John Florence reappeared.
Matt, he's going to have a commanding lead going into J-Bay.
We are down to the final 4 here at the Fiji Pro. Medina and Kelly going head-to-head in pumping cloud break conditions. Gabriel Medina takes out Kelly Slater. Watching Wilco take off with priority. Nice indeed. This thing staying open. Wilco comes flying out. Matt Wilkinson is going to try to catch his breath and prepare for one of the heats of his career.
The final is set. Our competitors are in the lineup.
Medina with priority was going to roll in. The setup work now pulling in, stalling for the barrel. Now starting to drive, this section's running away. Medina reappears down the line. What a dramatic finish. Your 2016 Fiji Pro champion, Gabriel Medina, leaving world number 1 Matt Wilkinson in a combination spot.